शुक्रिया।
Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Miss Angela Carosan. Thank you very much for coming.
कोयटा के लियाकत पार्क में 2 रोजा ईमान पाकिस्तान फेस्टिवल सज गया। रुकन सूबाई असम्बली फराह अजीम शाह ने रंगारंग मेले का इफ्तिताह किया।
खवातीन की दिलचस्पी में इजाफा कर रही है। बैरून मुल्क से मेले में शिरकत के लिए आने वाली खातून
I believe that women help build up economies and make a region better. And I love that women are being supported today in this way, and that the youth are being shown that if you have a dream, you can make that dream reality.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Angela Carson.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles, California, but I moved to Islamabad 7 weeks ago to build up luxury travel for Balochistan only.
Good. What is your favorite in Balochistan? What things you think that they are appreciating?
So for me, I really love the hidden gems of Pakistan because I have a YouTube channel and I'm now focused on tourism. And I like places like Pir Chatal in Jalmaxi or the shrine of Sheikh Kusani in Noshki or like Mula Chutak or like places that not everyone goes. Everyone goes to Kun Malir, everyone goes to Gwadar, everyone goes to Gadani. Like I like the places that are like the dam dolphin watching and dunes and things like that.
Excellent. Are you visited Gilgit-Baltistan, Kashmir, Murray? Are you visited?
Okay, yes, I went to Kashmir, but when I first decided to come to Pakistan in 2020, I wrote a social media post. Said, where should I go? Everyone said, go to the north, go to the north, go to the north. And I was like, I don't want to go to the north. So I started Googling and I found the YouTube channel Balochistan Land of Beauty from Saifullah.
Good.
And I looked at all his videos and he made my first 2-week trip. But ever since then, because everyone goes to the north, I'm like, I'm not going to the north. I'm only going to Balochistan or Kashmir or Punjab and Sindh.
Wow, you like the Balochistan, our culture.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay guys, I hope you can hear me. I am here at the first ever, whoa, hold on. So I am at the festival, this is day 2 and it is so much fun. I actually had time today to walk around to all of the stalls. So cute, okay, hold on. Wait, so I had time today to walk around to all of the stalls and meet the women who are here, who have the handmade goods, who are working with NGOs, who have special projects that they've had greenlit and are working here in Balochistan to uplift the community. So the event is the first of its kind. It's really been well received. The organization is spectacular. I know it's kind of hard to get things done in Balochistan, the same way that you can get things done in other parts of Pakistan. And they've done a brilliant job. Like the setup is just gorgeous and the lights and the sound and everything else are just wonderful. So I'm going to keep showing you everything that's going on. Mostly entertainment tonight, I think, but this is just a wonderful initiative. I'm going to let you see what I experience now. Oh, and then these are some of the women, hi, from the Balochistan Female Police Force, who I love. Hi, hi. Hello.
How are you? Fine.
Wait.
How are you? Fine. I am. They are very enjoyable, and you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so as you can see, everyone is super friendly. It is just full of women and children and young people. And my buddy Saif from the YouTube channel Balochistan Land of Beauty is coming at some point. I want to say thank you to Farah and to all of the amazing women, especially at the Women Development Department in Balochistan, for allowing me to attend this wonderful event. I hope I can come back again next year and show you even more. Please do stay tuned. I have a special interview I'd like you to see here at the end.
Okay, Women and Juvenile Facilitation is the first anti-rape cell that invented by UNODC and police with collaboration with police department. And at that center, women and transgender police officers are working together for the safety of women and above 18 years cases we have registered, and this center is fully funded by INL and UNODC.